Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting sound into Garageband quickly. Plug your guitar into an audio interface or USB adapter and select the proper instrument input. Once connected, open Garageband and choose a guitar track template so you get amp models and tuner ready immediately. Make sure sample rate and buffer are reasonable. 44,100 Hz and 256 samples reduce latency without instability. You also want to enable monitoring, so you hear the amp model in real time. Now you record while shaping tone. Start by setting your input gain so peaks hover near -6 dB because that gives headroom without clipping. Next, pick an amp model and cabinet that match the sound you want, then add pedals, compressor first, then drive, modulation, and time-based effects, since order changes the result. Once done, engage low latency mode for tracking so you feel natural timing. After a solid take, you can disable low latency and add richer reverb and delay for depth. Finish by editing and mixing your guitar track so it sits in the song. Use cycle recording to comp the best phrases, then trim and fade regions to remove clicks. Once done, apply subtractive EQ to remove mud and a gentle compressor to even dynamics, and make sure the master bus peaks around -6 to -3 dB to leave headroom. When satisfied, export as WAV or MP3. If you encounter silence or no input, check routing, restart GarageBand, and update your audio interface drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.